everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into configure access permission to CRM forms. So glad you see, hit that like button and let's get started. Bitrix24 now. Configure access permission to CRM form. Bitrix24 now has separate access permission settings for CRM forms. Specify users who can view, create and edit CRM forms. By default, the Bitrix24 administrator can configure access permission and grant access to other employees. Now, come to CRM forms section. Click the settings icon, access permission. Select standard roles. A role is set of access permission that is assigned to a user. There are two default users, administrator and manager. If other roles were created in the CRM permission settings, they will automatically appear in the Wget permission settings. Configure roles. Use standard roles, copy them or create new ones. Create on three dots. Select the action, add new role. Select this option in the menu and specify its name. Like this. Here we can give the permission, like re-rolling. Copy a role. To copy a role, click on clone role. Select the role you want to copy. All permission settings will be copied to the new role. Show hide roles. You can leave only required roles in the list and hide the others. This is useful if you need to compare or edit several roles. Like configure access permission. Read. View the list of create CRM forms. Edit. Edit settings, create and delete CRM forms. User can edit the preferences. The ability to customize access permission to CRM form. The configure a To configure a specific role, click on the three dots to the right of the name and select all permissions. Permissions to read, edit and configure access to CRM form. Unselect all permissions. Close the permissions to read, edit and configure access permission. Read. Rename. Change the role name. Clone. Create a copy of the selected role. Delete. Remove the role with all settings. Add users. How we can add users in here? Click on the plus icon under the role and select an employee, a department or a group. Here we can add whoever you want in user and then save it at last. Then this is all about configure access permission in CRM form. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comment below and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.